Dogecoin cost might arrive at a limit of 15 cents toward the finish of 2023. Dogecoin cost with a potential flood might accomplish the $1 mark continuously 2029. With a potential high of $1.19 for the year, the crypto market has made considerable progress from being restricted to just crude digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. The space has been sufficiently liberal to have a plenty of undertakings from shifted areas with and without utility. Progressively, image coins from the business have collected the interest of the majority. Dogecoin digital currency is one such model. The top image coin Dogecoin is the first to woof with regards to image coins. Sent off in December 2013, the advanced token has accumulated massive prominence in unfamiliar trade market and crypto local area. With loving from VIPs, very rich person financial backers, and online entertainment savvas. All things considered, financial backers are as yet enthusiastic about Doge to put away cash, in spite of arising opponents like Shiba Inu, and have been contemplating over its future possibilities. Dogecoin has one of the biggest market cap, as per specialists and specialized examiners. Dogecoin is supposed to go up before very long. Might it be said that you are enthused about this image coin's future cost forecast? Participate as we jump into the conceivable Dogecoin cost expectation 2023 to 2025 and the years to come. The canine coin has seen various appropriations and acknowledgments by famous brands and firms. Its superb rival is supposed to be Tron, with TRX cost being 2 times the cost of Dogecoin. Dogecoin cost expectations has been generally negative for more often than not starting from the start of 2022. In the meantime, bullish possibilities really do arise as the costs are set to expand generally. Will Dogecoin go up? Dogecoin cost expectation for 2023 could go from 7 cents to 15 cents for the year. What is Dogecoin? Dogecoin is an easy-to-understand cryptographic money project sent off on December 6, 2013. It was forked from Litecoin and is generally upheld by numerous wallets and trades. The principal use case is for making installments, and as of late it has likewise been utilized as a tipping coin for compensating little tokens to individuals during online entertainment collaborations. Dogecoins are inflationary coins while Bitcoins are deflationary coins. This is on the grounds that Bitcoin has a breaking point on the quantity of coins that will be delivered and utilized for mining. On the other side, Dogecoin has no such cutoff points and is consequently inflationary, which adds for its potential benefit. Dogecoin's value estimate 2023. Cryptographic money had experienced an enormous misfortune earlier year. 2023 has begun with a promising up note and following a steady upturn, persuading financial backers to think that this coin has major areas of strength for it. Contributing now is considered as a generally safe by numerous expert investigators, as the market is optimistically. Simultaneously, many powerhouses and financial backers likewise offer us venture guidance of this to be the ideal chance to purchase Doge. Dogecoin cost and Shiba Inu cost are supposed to get some decent forward movement in 2023, as the image space would turn into dealers number 1 to battle potential expansion dangers. The chance is additionally legitimate, as the normal time a token is held is a shocking 1.8 years. Subsequently, toward the finish of 2023, the image coin could hit a potential high of 15 cents. All things considered, a potential emergency in the business could dump the cost to 7 cents. Progressively, the typical cost of Dogecoin could settle at 11 cents. Doge Value Gauge 2024. In the event that the group behind rollouts out formative updates and genuine use cases, the canine coin could charge facing industry pioneers. In such a case, Doge value forecasts could skip to its greatest worth of 26 cents. On the other side, the ebbing position of image coins and reducing volumes could cut the value down to 13 cents. All things considered, a harmony among trading tensions could land the Dogecoin cost at 19 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2025. A rising FOMO with powerhouse advancements towards Dogecoin cost might warm up to 44 cents. Besides, on the off chance that it could make do with a significant development rate in an exceptionally cutthroat space from here on out, the normal will strike at 32 cents. Then again, if parts of the crypto like zero marking rewards and not much usefulness influence the market, then, at that point, the cost could slide to its expected low at around 22 cents. Doge Value Conjecture 2026. As indicated by our investigators, Dogecoin cost for the year 2026 could go between 34 cents to 60 cents, and the typical cost of Dogecoin could be around 47 cents. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2027. As per our experts, Doge cost for the year 2027 could go between 41 cents to 72 cents, and the typical cost of Dogecoin could be around 56 cents. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2028. as indicated by our experts. Doge expectation for the year 2028 could run between 65 cents to 92 cents, and the typical Dogecoin cost could be around 80 cents. Evade coin expectations 2029, as indicated by our experts. Doge conjecture for the year 2029 could go between 86 cents to $1.19, and the typical Dogecoin cost could be around $1.06. Dogecoin value expectation 2030, as indicated by our investigators. Doge forecasts for the year 2030 could run between $1.11 to $1.45, and the typical Evade coin cost could be around $1.28. Doge value forecast. The way that advertisers are very hopeful about the venture and big names bouncing legs can drive Dogecoin cost into a worth that everybody would stunningness, as indicated by figured out Dogecoin cost projections for 2023. On the off chance that its exchanging volume rises further, we can anticipate that the Doge cost should flood to 15 cents as the year closes. Then again, assuming the market is struck again by outer powers like guidelines or negative articulations by forces to be reckoned with, the image coin could exchange at a likely low of 7 cents. All things considered, an equilibrium in trading tensions could land the Dogecoin cost at 11 cents. Crucial examination following the gigantic progress of Bitcoin. Dogecoin was sent off in the December of 2013. In a simple 1 month, there were north of 1 million guests to the authority site. What began with a cost of $0 and presently represents a return for capital invested of 12,721.95%. Dogecoin was made by Billy Marcus, Oregon, and Jackson. It was presented as a joke, however, who realized it would turn out to be so critical in the crypto world. It is likewise utilized by retailers to get installments from other approved shippers. Dogecoin Verifiable Market Opinions 2013 to 2021. Dogecoin made its presentation in December 2013 at $0, a market capitalization of $3.5 million. For a year, Dogecoin was on a vertical direction and multiplied dramatically. The year 2014 was not liberal for Dogecoin, as new digital currencies, for example, Neo, Heavenly, and Monero, arose on the lookout, because of which Doge's value tumbled to $0. Co-organizer Jackson Palmer quit the venture startlingly in 2015. With the news, the world started to talk about Doge's approaching passing. Doge figured out how to exchange at $0 the finish of December 2015. Dogecoin didn't cross the $0 minus 0.0003 cost range until 2017. The worth of the coin rose decisively to $0 the spring of 2017 and further kept on changing. Shockingly, Doge flooded to $0 the finish of 2017. Dogecoin cost declined in the midst of fixing of digital forms of money across Southeast Asian nations. However, it recuperated rapidly to hit 1 cent. The cost finished up at $0 in the year 2018. The altcoin exchanged sideways in 2019 for a significant part of the year. Toward the finish of December 2019, Dogecoin was exchanging at $0. Dogecoin proceeded with its exchange at $0 the beginning of January. With a consistent improvement, the value figured out how to reach $0 mid of February. Doge began a vertical direction in the midst of the development of Bitcoin's cost rally and finished the